हेलो स्टूडेंट, गुड मॉर्निंग। सेवन्थ क्लास सोशल साइंस के चैप्टर सिविक्स का है ग्रोइंग अप एज बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स के क्वेश्चन आंसर, जिसके एक्सरसाइज करा दी थी। आज वेरी शॉर्ट शॉर्ट और लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन में फर्स्ट वेरी शॉर्ट टाइप का क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट है, व्हाट डू द टर्म्स जेंडर एंड सेक्स स्टैंड फॉर। इसका आंसर है, द टर्म सेक्स रेफर्स टू द biological and psychological physiological characteristics that define men and women. Gender refers to the social roles, behaviors, activities and after वो attributes that a particular society considers appropriate for men and women। ये वेरी शॉर्ट के फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर हुआ। सेकंड क्वेश्चन है वेरी शॉर्ट का, व्हाट इज डबल वर्डन। आंसर सेकंड, वुमेन इन इंडिया वर्क इनसाइड एज वेल एज आउटसाइड देयर होम्स। दिस इज often referred to as double burden। क्वेश्चन थर्ड वेरी शॉर्ट टाइप क्वेश्चन है, नेम एनी टू लॉज दैट अप्लाई टू डोमेस्टिक वर्कर्स। देयर आर स्पेशल लॉ, देयर आर सेवरल लॉज like the unorganized workers social security act 2008 and the minimum wage act, which apply to domestic workers। क्वेश्चन फोर, तो ये थर्ड क्वेश्चन हुआ, इसमें दोनों एक्ट आ गए। क्वेश्चन फोर है, विच मिनिस्ट्री डील्स विद इशूज एंड स्कीम्स रन फॉर द बेटरमेंट ऑफ वुमेन एंड गर्ल चाइल्ड। आंसर ए सेपरेट मिनिस्ट्री। आंसर फोर ए सेपरेट मिनिस्ट्री, द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ वुमेन and child development deal with issues and scheme run for the betterment of women and girl child। अब शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, डिस्कस जेंडर इनइक्वालिटी इन इंडिया। जेंडर इनइक्वालिटी इन इंडिया इज ए complex and diversified problem because it is present in many ways, in many classes, and in many fields। The organ of this problem has always been the male ego. In India, a woman is still not independent as she needs an anchor of her husband and the family। Our society has restricted women to the home, and the primary responsibility is to look after the family and the house. He work is always undervalued, and her position in the society is considered secondary in comparison to the man, whose position remains central। शॉर्ट का सेकंड क्वेश्चन, हाउ आर डोमेस्टिक वर्कर्स ट्रीटेड बाय देयर एम्प्लॉयर्स? Domestic servants are frequently mistreated by their boss, despite their hard work. Their bosses frequently show them little regard. Note some domestic workers live in the same residence as their boss. Short का third question, why does our society devalue the work women do inside the home? The work that women do within the home is not recognized as work. It is assumed that this is something that comes naturally to women due to due to this fact. It does not have to be paid for. Our society devalues such work. Question 4. The work women do is strenuous and physically demanding. Explain by. Question 4. The task like washing clothes, cleaning, sweeping, and picking up loads require bending, lifting, and carrying. Many chores like cooking involve standing for long hours in front of hot stoves. Thus, the work women do is strenuous, strenuous and physically demanding. अब आते हैं लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, what are the characteristics of housework? आंसर लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट का आंसर, across the world the main responsibility for housework and caregiving task like looking after the family, especially children, the elderly and sick members, lie with women. In fact, what we commonly term as house work actually involves many different tasks. A number of these tasks require heavy physical work. In rural areas, women and girls carry heavy head loads of firewood. Tasks like washing clothes, cleaning, sweeping, and picking up loads require bending, lifting, and carrying. Many tasks like cooking Cooking involve standing for long hours in front of hot stoves. Finish. Second question: how have government initiative and scheme help girl and women to become empowered? Second long type answer: many government initiatives and schemes are follow. First, the government run Anganwadi centers in the village across the country. These centers are government sponsored child care and mother care centers. They cater to children up to the age of 6 years. Second point: Article 52 of the Indian Constitution gives equality to women in matter like public employment, partition in politics, and reservation of seats in panchayat and parliament. These have contributed to the empowerment of women. Question third: what are some of the social evils faced by women in our country? Long time question third का answer: for a long time women did not have the same legal rights as men. In fact, in some Indian states, these still exist social and legal barriers which exclude exclude daughters and widows from inheriting land and property. Earlier, women were considered emotional and weak and were not allowed to vote in politics. A preference for male children has been ingrained into the Indian culture. Sons are considered to be the only ones capable of earning bags for the family. Carry on the family name, take care of the parents. Girls are often seen as a burden. This is mostly due to the presence of social evils like dowry. As such, social evils like female infanticide and foeticide, sati, dowry, and honor killing are still very much in practice. Question 4 लॉन्ग टाइप का डिस्कस द प्रॉब्लम फेस्ड बाय वोमेन इन पब्लिक प्लेस वोमेन फेस harassment crimes and violence in urban and rural areas of both developed and developing countries. They live in constant fear of violence towards them in public space, especially in our country. In most cases of sexual violence, men blame women for their behavior. Some believe that women provoke men by the way they dress, and some believe that women moving around at night deserve to be sexually harassed. This has led to led to immun- inum- innumerable innumerable cases of abducing and other forms of social harassment and sexual assault, including rape and murder. Finish.